Welcome back, guys. In this quick video, I'm sharing 13 event KPIs that I think anyone who is thinking about hosting a business-related event should consider tracking. If you haven't met me yet, my name is Petra. I'm the founder of Collab Events. I'm an event manager, business strategist, coach, and I specialize in teaching entrepreneurs, businesses, and influencers how to host successful and profitable events. Welcome to my channel. If you enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a like, and if you want to learn more about hosting successful events, consider subscribing and hit that bell to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay, I just want to be super transparent here. KPIs are definitely not the sexiest topic on the market. Unless you're a numbers person, you might already think, what am I doing here? But please stick around. I promise in this video, I won't make you do any complicated calculations, and I will share why this ends up being one of the most exciting and motivating topics or parts that I teach during my own workshops. If you haven't heard the term KPI before, it stands for Key Performance Indicators. It's a set of measurable targets that will help give you an idea of how successful your event was in reaching its goals. For example, one of your goals might have been to attract, say, 20 people to your retreat. Another goal might be to sign up 10% of your event attendees into your mastermind. And yes, you guessed it right. The first step, if you haven't already done so, is to set your event goals. During my own workshops, I start looking at potential KPIs with my event attendees for the events that they are planning to organize, seeing that they can make $1,000 in profit just from one event, or how they can fill their entire coaching program from a couple of 2-hour workshops. They can also see how they can grow their audience with quality leads quicker than ever before. Before we move over to the KPIs, I want to stress that not reaching your KPIs does not mean that it wasn't a successful event. But your KPIs does give you indicators of how you're tracking, and it will help you make different or better decisions in the future. You will really easily be able to identify the areas that you can improve. For example, you might notice that your sales page conversion is really low. However, the number of back of the room sales that you do is really high. This could indicate that you might not be clear enough with your messaging before the event, but at the event, you're actually doing a great job in communicating the value of what it is that you're teaching during the events. So this shows us that you should probably be spending a little bit more time on your sales copy. All right, here are the 13 KPIs that I suggest that you track for your events. Number 1, waitlist sign-up conversions. Out of the numbers that signed up to your waitlist, how many actually bought a ticket? 2, sales page conversions. Out of the number of people that visited your sales page, how many ended up buying a ticket? 3, total event registrations or tickets sold. How many people ended up registering or buying a ticket to your event? And if you are selling different type of tickets or have tiered pricing, you want to make sure that you organize them separately. Step 4, gross revenue from your ticket sales. So this is the total amount of money that you made from your ticket sales. Number 5, your total profit. Your total profit made from your ticket revenue when you remove your event expenses. Number 6, no-shows. How many attendees bought a ticket to your event but didn't end up showing up? 7, attendee satisfaction. What did your attendees think of the event? Use a survey here. They're really helpful. 8, sponsorship satisfaction. If you do have sponsors for your event, I strongly recommend that you actually take the time and do a survey with them to see what they thought. 9, sponsorship revenue. How much money did your sponsors make as a result of being a sponsor at your event? 10, social media mentions. How many people mentioned you or your event on social media? 11, social media engagement. This is your likes, the comments, the shares, the impressions, anything related to the event. 12, number of leads. How many leads did you get from the event? This could be the number of people that booked in for a discovery call or signed up to your freebie. And finally, 13, number of back of room sales or new clients. This could be how many people that ended up becoming clients due to attending your events. Understanding your numbers is so powerful, so please don't overlook this important step. And these numbers will leave clues that will help you improve your performance and sales every single event. It doesn't have to be hard to capture these figures. It's a matter of actually understanding how valuable these figures and numbers can be to you. And if you do understand it, you will do it. That is it for this video, guys. A quick reminder to please like this video if you enjoy the content, as it really does make a difference. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.